Hi guys, thank you so much once again. I came with a very interesting video which is how you can show the image from the networking URL. Okay, so let's begin with the development. And in last video, as you remember, I explained about the extension. So with the help of extension we will achieve our goal for that video. Okay, so let's begin with development. So I have these three image view in my view controller, and I have these three image URL I have. Okay, I took from the Google these images. So I will show these three images into the three different image view with the help of extension. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we have to set the outlet for every image. So we will do that. IMG1 IMG2 IMG3. So I create the outlet of these three images. So now we will create one extension. This extension we have created for integer as I show into the last video. Now I will create one extension for UI image view. The function name load, and here we will pass load. Here we will pass URL, which is type of string, and return type nothing. Okay, so what will be here? If first of all we will validate the URL is valid or not. Okay, write dispatch queue dot global dot code. Okay, here we will write if let data equals try data from constant of URL. We will pass the URL. Okay, if it's valid then we will enter into that. And before that I forgot to write here week comma self and in. Sorry. So this is done. Now exclamation sign, as I told you, we will validate that. Guard let URL equals URL from string URL else return. And this is a URL string. So now you're done with it. Now we will set at the final step. Okay, this data we have get the data from our URL, and now we have to set this data to our image view. Now we will create if image equals UI image from data. So it will return us image. Now we have to set self dot image equals image. Let image equals this, and this will be inside dispatch queue dot main dot async. Don't forget to add this async line. Okay, so you're done with it. Remove one equals, so it's done. Now move to view controller. Here image1 dot image equals, sorry, it's something load and URL image1. Okay, so same for image2 img2 load image, and here we will pass image 2 URL. Same for image 3 dot load, and here we will pass image 3. So now let's see the output. Stop and build and run. Now you can see output is in front of you. I think this is quite a big image, so that's why it's taking that much of time. And here you need to set the scaling of the image. Okay, so according to the content it's fit. We will go to our storyboard, select all 3 image and give center. And for more styling we will take image 1 dot layer dot corner radius equals 10, and this we will do for all 3, image 2 and image 3. And now your main storyboard will looks more beautiful, means your output looks more beautiful. Now run. Now you can see corner radius is here and image is also loading, and it's loading into the complete screen. Okay, so here are a couple of property. You can learn all those property which is related to image view as for designing, as I show you here. These are couple of property. Okay, you can set according to your requirement and you can get the proper output. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video and you understand how you can show image without using any third-party library in iOS application. This is the more secure way for protecting the data from the third-party library. So enjoy this coding. Have a great time, great day. Bye bye.